Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get paid on Elevate Pay from Creative Fabrica. So let's get started. If you're earning money on Creative Fabrica and want to receive those payments in Elevate Pay, you need to understand one important thing first. Creative Fabrica does not directly support Elevate Pay, but you can still use a simple method to receive your funds. Creative Fabrica mainly sends payouts through PayPal, Payoneer, or direct bank transfer. So what you need to do is connect one of these methods with your Elevate Pay account. The easiest and most recommended way is using Payoneer. First, create and verify your Payoneer account. Then go to your Elevate Pay account and check if you have US bank details available. Elevate Pay usually gives you a US bank account, which can be used with platforms like Payoneer. Now go to your Creative Fabrica dashboard and open your earnings section. From there, click on Request Payout. You'll see different payout options. Choose Payoneer as your payout method and add your Payoneer email. Make sure your Payoneer account is verified, otherwise you won't be able to receive payments. Once added, enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the request. Creative Fabrica will process your payment, and it usually takes a few days depending on the method. After the money arrives in your Payoneer account, you can transfer it to your Elevate Pay account using your US bank details or withdraw it directly depending on your setup. Alternatively, you can use PayPal, but Payoneer is generally better for freelancers because of lower fees and easier bank transfers. So the full flow is simple: Creative Fabrica, Payoneer, Elevate Pay. This method is especially useful for designers and freelancers who want to receive international payments smoothly without high fees. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.